In today's video, I am going to teach you how to style buttons on Squarespace. Start by going to your Squarespace dashboard and selecting the website you want to edit. Once you are inside the site, open any page and click Edit in the top left corner. This takes you into editing mode, where you can access your design settings and preview changes as you make them. Next, look to the top right corner and click the paintbrush icon. This opens Site Styles, which is where Squarespace lets you control the visual appearance of many elements across your site. From the panel menu, choose Buttons. This section is where you can customize how your buttons look and feel throughout the website. Inside the button settings, click Text. Here you can adjust the typography used on your buttons. This includes the font family, font weight, letter spacing, and capitalization. These settings are useful if you want your buttons to match the overall branding of your site. For example, changing the weight can make button text feel stronger and more noticeable, while letter spacing and capitalization can make the style look cleaner or more refined. After that, use the horizontal padding and vertical padding sliders to change the internal spacing around the text inside each button. Horizontal padding affects the space on the left and right sides of the text, while vertical padding changes the space above and below it. Increasing padding can make buttons feel larger and easier to click, while tighter padding can create a more compact and minimal look. Make small adjustments here so the button stays balanced and readable. Then scroll down to the Buttons section to assign separate custom colors. This allows you to fine-tune the appearance of your buttons so they stand out properly against your site background and fit your design style. As you adjust colors, pay attention to contrast so the text remains easy to read and the buttons remain visually clear. Once you are happy with the way everything looks, go to the top left corner of the master toolbar and click Save. This will push your changes live so visitors can see the updated button styles on your site. That covers everything you need to know.